This knowledge is born. Because when we are born, we don't know to kill to eat. Peace.
That nigga Lex Luger.
Mr. Midnight, instrumental. 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 Mr. Midnight, instrumental.
You better start leveling with me. Go ahead.
Maxie, Doug, she just called.
I'm on my way.
Little late. Let me tell you something, Doug. You ever tell anybody I said this? I'm moving out of town. That kid, he lays his hand on the deer while it's still shaking. And then he touches me at the same time. Now, I can't figure out why till my heart starts pounding and I'm shaking and I'm feeling myself hurt and scared shitless slipping away in the goddamn dark. That's the worst thing I ever felt. It's like I could feel that animal dying. Yeah, it's like I was a goddamn thing.
Oh, come on, Harley.
Doug, I swear. Now, I just can't do it anymore. I can't look at something down the barrel of a gun without thinking about it. I've tried it. I'm telling you, that thing ain't normal. I'm telling you, he took whatever's in that goddamn deer